Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make crispy potato egg snacks. Take to breads. Soak in water for a second. Now squeeze the water from the bread. Now put the bread in the dry bowl. Grate 2 eggs. Now grate 2 potatoes. Now add half chopped onion. Handful coriander. Half teaspoon ginger powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon zero powder. 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon paprika powder. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Now mix it well. Use your hands or any spatula for mixing. Don't use blender, otherwise texture will not remain same. Once the mixture is ready, you can make the kebabs of any shape you like. I am making in cylindrical shape. Now coat it in breadcrumbs. Using the same process, make the kebabs of rest of the mixture. You can freeze them for a month. Take a frying pan and heat the oil. Now fry the kebabs on medium flame. Don't fry them on high flame, otherwise breadcrumbs will burn. Once the color turns golden brown, it indicates they are ready. Turn off the flame and take them out. Looking so tempting. Enjoy with green mint sauce. I hope you like the recipe.